Hello and welcome to Main State Credit Union's new digital banking system. In this video, we are going to be covering how to make quick transfers between your Main State Credit Union accounts. Once logged in, go to the Transfers tab located at the top of your dashboard. Once you are located in the Transfers section of your online banking, you will see that there are three options for transfers. Quick transfers are used for transfers between your MSCU accounts. Classic transfers has similar functionality to quick transfers, but allows you to add new accounts and add memos about what your transfers are for. The Scheduled Transfers tab allows you to schedule recurring transfers. Let's head back to the Quick Transfers tab and process a quick transfer. Once in the Quick Transfers section, select the account you would like to transfer from. I'm going to select Advantage Checking. Now select an amount. Let's say $50. If you would like to send an amount not listed, you can enter a custom amount at the bottom of this page. Now select an account that you would like to send that money to. I'm going to send $50 to the Family HSA account. Now select Submit Transfer. Double check your transfer here. The transfer amount looks accurate at $50. I'm transferring $50 from Advantage Checking to the Family HSA. If everything looks accurate, hit Confirm Transfer. You have now successfully processed a transfer in MSCU's new digital banking system.